benelli like reflectors. Alright, don't normally record at night, but time to go home, and I'm going to record at night so we can see these bright, super bright lights now that the GPS is not on the way. Benelli TRK 502. Somebody else put some driving lights on here. They're probably too bright, and I'm probably blinding people. But let's get on first. It's a huge bitch. Alright, rock and roll. Oh, I keep forgetting it's 30 miles an hour through here anyway. It's supposed to be. So yeah, let's see what these lights look like. And I probably should shut my shield. Forgetting that's open. Definitely must be some wind protection because I can ride my shield open without feeling anything. And actually, it fogs up when I got it closed now. Yeah, you can ride this thing fucking forever. And yeah, that's why it's a little chilly, because I got my chest vents open. So let's get those closed. I'm actually going to open the thing back up because I'm fogging up pretty good. So. But then it starts to get cold and wind in my eyes, so we'll try the 3/4 closed, even though I don't have a pin lock. So yeah, these lights are very bright. But how much drain does it take on my battery? I don't see a battery gauge or anything on this thing, so that would have been nice to have, probably. Pretty simplistic. You got your coolant temperature, your clock, and gear. Tank gas. See if it shines its brights on me. Because I was passing somebody before the other night, and like the whole cabin of his car lit up. Yeah, like that. I could see him, like him all lit up. I don't know if I'm blinding people. I was thinking I should probably, like, I don't want to turn them off now, but I probably should drive with these things on during the day, and then drive with my brights at night, because the headlight on this thing is kind of pretty shitty. We almost all there. Stinky, something stinky. I don't think it's me, but something stinky. Oh shit. How'd I pop it into neutral? That's sweet though. That's still, he's got that still like lit up. Whoever did this, so then it matches all the other stuff. Not sure how he did that, but that's pretty badass. I got, that's what I definitely got to learn is like how slow can I be going before I turn the clutch? Holy like reflectors. Like even like now, like am I going too slow for second gear? I don't want to be driving down here in first. This thing handles really good too. Yeah, these lights are pretty amazing. It feels like it's jerky now though, like yeah, maybe it's going too slow for that gear. They said we only had like one person flashing though, so maybe they're not that terrible. I guess we'll just say goodbye now. Goodbye. Ha!